Okay, so in this session we will discuss about how to upload multiple files in a folder and take that multiple file paths along with the request parameters and how to store all those things in MySQL and as well as MongoDB. First we will see how to store all the request parameters in MySQL and what are the necessary things are required. Okay, so first see this flowchart. Multiple images we will take and stored one uploads folder in Node.js. Okay, after that take all the image paths and along with the request body, employee number, ename, sal, and if this employee number exists in table, then delete the saved images in folder for this request. Why? Because if employee number exists, then no need to insert. So whatever the uploads the images in this folder, that images we have to delete it and give the employee number already exist. Okay. And if the employee number not exist in the table, then we have to insert the employee number, ename, salary, and all image paths in form of array. So that we have to give request body and image saved in DB. This type of message we have to give. Okay, so this is the architecture of this task. And now in DB side, see, we have to store all these images in an array. For this, we have to use JSON data type. Okay, so what are the procedure steps we have to follow? First of all, create the table which is related to parameters like employee number, ename, salary, and image paths, and create the store procedure which will have these parameters, and save the images in folders, upload folder which belongs to Node.js. Okay, and take the each and every image path, I mean all image paths, and pass that image paths to the store procedure along with the parameters and call the store procedure. If the parameters are employee number already exist, then we should not insert and delete the image which is related to the request. Okay, delete the all images which is related to the request. And if the employee number exists, does not exist, then insert and give success message. Okay, so this is about Node API solution. And before going to this, go to the table, and here image path is available which is used to capture the single image path, and I am going to take one more column. That column name is all image paths, and here give the JSON data type and write one store procedure insert underscore emp all images. Here p underscore emp number integer, p underscore ename varchar of 50, and p underscore sal integer, and p underscore all images, and what will be the column name? All images paths. So I am taking this column name here, and JSON. Okay, and now for exception related code I am taking this one, Now, before going to insert, first of all, we have to check whether that employee number already exists or not. There emp number equal to p underscore emp number, and then begin end if. Oh no, after writing else block only we have to write end if. Okay, and if the employee number does not exist, what type of message we have to give? Select 201 as status code and concat of p not emp number, p underscore emp number already exist. Okay, as message. The employee number exists. Sorry, so here we have to put not. If the employee number not exists, then only we have to insert. So insert into emp number, ename and cell. So column name all image paths. This is the procedure. Click on apply button. Procedure is created and go to the Node API. So here router.post save multiple images. Not async. Async is not required. No need to use. Okay. So I think I already discussed about how to upload multiple files in a folder. Okay. So at that time we have used storage files function. Okay. And array. If you use array, then it will allow to multiple files to be uploaded. Same here, storage files dot array of, so key name I'm going to take pick. This is old API, this is new. So try and here first of all let body equal to request dot body and let image paths. Okay, so all image paths. I'm going to take one array. So here while saving single image, what to do, man? what we did, we just take request.file.path. Okay, while saving multiple images. Let file paths equal to request dot files. Okay, and console.log file paths. Now we will execute and debug, then only we come to know what to write. And put debug points here, and so take this post and in body form data pick and pick. So here emp number, and if any data is there, so I am going to delete the data from emp table. Okay, now this data, the table will be empty. Okay, and emp number 1 and ename a and sal 1000. So here select file, and file, here I am going to update 2 images. Here I am going to update another 2 images. You can update all the images. So this is another way to update, just I am telling. Okay, and to avoid some confusion, I am going to delete this uploads folder and execute again. If you click on send, see what will be the file path. I mean, in request.files we have file name. Okay, all the file names are available in the form of objects. 4 objects we are having. Okay, and each and every object in file name we have the image name. Okay, so that's why we have to use for loop for this to pick the path and file name. Okay, so actually we need this path. Okay, so if you use for loop, then we can take this path and then we can push this path to all image paths. Okay, so put the debugging also, you can easily identify. So see here in request where it is files, see these files, open one object. In this we required path. Okay, first image path, and we require another image path. Okay, that will be available in each and every object. Okay, we have to take that path and then we put in all the paths in one array and send it to the MySQL. Okay, so for this I am going to write for loop for let I equal to 0, I less than file paths, and I plus plus, and array all image paths dot push. Okay, and file paths of I dot path. Okay, so path. Then we will get all the image paths. No need to use here. And console.log all image paths. After this, so we have the request body. Okay, then as usual, let parents equal to body dot emp number and body dot ename, body dot sal, and all image paths. Let call sp equal to set and take the parameters and second parameter set param name and third parameter fourth parameter and call this procedure here. Okay, so after calling this procedure and db pool dot query and call sp and params if error result. Okay, so if any error comes, it will go to the error block. Else so if result dot length greater than params dot length, then we get the response from db. Otherwise no response from db. We call it as 400 or 201, you can except 200. Okay, and this is no response from db, or now let response equal to result of params dot length 0. In 0th object we will get the response from db. Okay, after this so here we will get two different types of responses. One is 200, another one is 201. That means employee success message and employed already exist message. Okay, so sorry, so here save success, this type of message we have to give for 200. So if it is success, then no need to do anything, just we have to bind that response and give it to the web people. So response dot status code equal to 201 That means if the employee already exists, then we have to delete the requested images. Okay. So again, use for loop. Let I equal to 0, I less than all image paths. So in this array we have all images. Okay, recently uploaded images. I plus plus and give fs dot unlink and all image paths 0, not 0, all image paths of I. Okay, and err if err res dot send new err response. Here give 400 and err dot message, else console dot log file deleted. Okay, and so this is the closed bracket of for loop. Okay, so after this closed bracket, we have to give res dot send. This is okay, and new error response of 201 and otherwise response dot status code. Okay, next response dot message. So in this message we will get employee already exist. Okay, I am giving some message like and images code in uploads folder. Images deleted from uploads folder. Images deleted from upload folder. Request images. Okay, and this is else block. So here I am going to give new API response and 200, not 200, status response dot status code and response dot message. Okay, so this is 201 and this belongs to 200. Okay, so we will check, and before that I will delete this upload folder. Okay, upload folder has been created, and before this you check emp table, empty records are there. So now click send button. Some syntax error came. think this is required for MySQL. We'll check. But images has been uploaded. Okay. Save success. So uploads. So 4 images has been uploaded, and execute this. All image paths. But it is not inserting in database. So length. I missed this length. Now we will execute it and delete the uploads folder, and as well as delete this query. Sorry, delete the data from EMP table also. Now execute again. See, here I am displaying all image paths in console.log. Upload folder has been created. You observe this, what it contains, all image paths. All image paths will contain all these things. Okay, see, all images has been uploaded. You can check it. Okay, and execute this. See, all images has been inserted into database. Okay. And if I execute again, what will happen? Again, these images has been uploaded into this upload folder, and go to the database, and if that employee number already exists, then come back to the API and deleted recently uploaded images, which is related to this request. Okay. So that response, see, employee number already exists and request images deleted from upload folder. This type of message we will get. And now I am deleting this, and I am going to upload all images in one variable. And here I am going to give 2 success and see 2 and 3. This is D. This one is 2. Okay, so like that we have to write the insert API to insert the all images along with the request body in MySQL database. See how many images has been stored. Okay.